As rideshare drivers, gas is of course a major expense. Saving just a few dollars a week can add up to hundreds throughout the year. Today we'll discuss how I essentially save over $250 in gas per year. Alright, so my goal every week is to find the cheapest amount per gallon that I can pay for gas. And typically I go to Costco. I'm a Costco member. I have a Citi card through Costco. I get 4% cash back on my gas purchases with my Citi card. And again, Costco gas is typically 25 cents per gallon cheaper than all other gas stations. But the main thing I look at first is the Gas Buddy app. With the Gas Buddy app, you can see the current prices reported at all gas stations. And again, here with the Gas Buddy app, I can see that the Costco gas price is 24 cents cheaper than all other nearby gas stations. And that particular Costco gas location is about 3 miles from my house, so I usually go to that location. But those Costco gas stations aren't always convenient. There's about 9 of them throughout the Minneapolis and St. Paul metro area, and if I end up somewhere throughout the day where I need gas and I'm not nearby a Costco gas station, I want to try and find gas somewhere else. In the past, I have used the standalone Upside app to get cash back on my gas purchases, but that cash back in the Upside app fluctuates and it depends on each gas station, and it's typically only from like 5 to 15 cents per gallon. But there's another way to use Upside, and that's through the Lyft driver app. And I've found that using Upside through the Lyft driver app, I can get more cash back. And that cash back using Upside with Lyft is sometimes 10 to 15 cents better than the Upside standalone app. Alright, now as far as being able to use Upside with the Lyft driver app, the process is fairly simple, so let's run through that now. Alright, first you'll need to link the credit card that you use for gas purchases in the Lyft driver app. You'll just select that top left clipboard toggle, then you'll select Account, then you'll select Pay and Tax Info. At the bottom you'll see Upside Cash Back, and you'll see an option to link a card, so you'll select that. And this is where you can link that credit card. Alright, now when you want to actually purchase gas, you'll select this toggle on the Lyft home screen. At the bottom there you'll select Gas Discounts. Then you'll see nearby gas stations, their prices, and how much cash back you'll get. And the goal is actually not to get the most cash back, it's to get the cheapest price per gallon. I'm actually right near this gas station where I'll pay $2.83 per gallon, so I'll select that one. Then you just select Get Gas Now. The Lyft driver app will actually navigate you to the gas station. Once you arrive, you'll see this message, and you just need to remember that you need to pay with the credit card that you linked previously. After that, everything happens automatically, and you'll receive your cash back within 3 to 10 days after you pay. Alright, so at the beginning of the video I said I'm saving over $250 annually in gas, so exactly how am I doing that? On average, I'm saving about $3.25 per week on gas by buying it at Costco or using Upside with Lyft. For the year, that would be about $169. I'm also getting 4% cash back on gas purchases using my Costco Citi card. On average, I spend $40 per week on gas, and that amounts to about $83 cash back over the course of the year. Take the $169 in gas savings plus the $83 in cash back, that totals $252 for the year. And I drive about 20 hours per week, but for full-time drivers, they could be saving about 2 or 3 times as much. So again, that's how I personally save on gas, but what about all of you? Do you do anything else to save on gas? Have you calculated your annual gas savings? Leave a comment below and let us know. I mentioned that I'm not using the standalone Upside app for gas purchases, but you can use it for cash back on food purchases. So if you haven't downloaded the Upside app, our referral link is in the description. If you've yet to download the Solo app to help you manage your rideshare business and earn more, our referral link is in the description. We also have a free newsletter, and the link to sign up for that is in the description as well. If you've yet to watch my previous video where I ask what if drivers set their own prices, be sure to check that one out. Thanks again for watching, and drive safe. Thanks.